This is a final video to fix The Last of Us Part 1 100% CPU usage on PC. Are you tired of your game freezing or your computer heating up while playing? Many players face this problem because the game pushes your CPU too hard, and Windows sometimes runs extra background processes that make it worse. You might have seen tutorials on YouTube or social media that are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't work for everyone. Today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret, simple trick that stops your CPU from maxing out and keeps your game running smooth. You don't need to change a lot of settings or install heavy software. If you want me to show the step-by-step way to fix this completely, comment below, and I'll make the full guide just for you. This method works fast, saves your computer, and makes gaming much more enjoyable. Don't wait, try it today with Rex's Easy Trick.